You know, in retrospect now,
Yeah.
my first attorney was a guy that I'd probably hang out, have drinks with. Good
Okay.
guy, um, but I don't think he represented me well. The reason I even went to him, my soon-to-be second wife used him,
Oh,
so
wow.
she recommended him to me to from against my first wife,
Okay.
and he just now my ex-wife, first ex-wife, her attorney was amazing, woman. So I guess the as you're asking these questions, I'm doing the math in my head.
Yeah.
Probably don't hire a man attorney
Really?
because
Okay.
even my second, I went to an attorney that was recommended to me. I had done some work for him, construction work. Again, good guy. Probably got to have some drinks and dinner with him, but wasn't aggressive. But my second ex-wife, she had the tiger attorney woman that really went for the throat.